Hi guys, I hope you will fine. Today we will discuss about Milkha Singh biography. You can achieve anything in your life if just depends upon how to separate you are to achieve it. Born in October 17, 1935, 91 year. Hometown Chandigarh, India. Religion Sikh. Wife Nirmal Kaur. Jeev Malik Milkha Singh, wife and daughters Sonia Sangwalka, two more. Study at the village school in Pakistan up to 5th standard. Milkha Singh is married of Nirmal Kaur. She was the former captain of Indian women volleyball team. They have a son Jeev Milkha Singh who has gone on to become a top ranking international professional golfer. Milkha Singh tried to enroll in the army but he was rejected thrice. He was finally able to join the army electrical mechanical engineer branch in 1952. Once in the armed force, his coach Havaldar Gurudev Singh inspired him. He was worked very hard and his practice. He came into the limelight during the national games at the Patiala in 1956. In 1958, he broke the 200 meter and 400 meter records in the national games at Kolkata. His greatest and probably saddest moment came when the finished fourth in the photo finish at the 1960 Summer Olympics in the Rome. He also represented the country in the 1964 the Summer Olympics in Tokyo. He held the Olympic 400 records in the 1960 and Rome Olympics, besides winning the gold medal in the 1958 and again. The Asian Games in 1958 in the 200 meter and 400 meter categories and the Asian Games in 1962 in the 200 meter category. It was a race of the Pakistan in 1962 where he was defeated Abdul Khalid, the winner of the 100 meter gold at the Tokyo Asian Games where he was christened the Flying Sikh by the Pakistani President Ayub Khan. Recognition of Singh's success in 1958 Asian Games, he was promoted from the ranking of Sepoy and Junior Commissioned Officer. He eventually becomes a director of the sport in the Punjab Ministry of Education. He retired in the 1998. The Singh Medal were then donated to the country. Initially, all those were displayed at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi, but later he is satisfied to the Sport of Museum in Patiala. At the Sport Museum, her pair of shoes is displayed, which is wore in Rome in 2012. Rahul Bose organized a charity action where the Singh denoted his pair of Adidas shoes that wore in the 1960 and 400 meter final. Milkha Singh's life story was portrayed in the biography film Bhag Milkha Bhag, which was directed by the Rakesh Om Prakash Meher and starred Farhan Akhtar and Sonam Kapoor. When he asked Milkha Singh why he allowed a film to be made on his life, he said that the film should be an inspiration for youngsters and he himself would watch the film and see his life event have been dispatched correctly or not. He wanted to the youngster to be watch this movie, enjoy the athletic and make the India proud by the winning the medals at the world level. First 1958 Asian Games in 200 meter. First 1958 Asian Games in 400. First 1958 Commonwealth Games in 440 yard. Padma Shri in 1959. First 1962 Asian Games in 400 meter. First 1962 Asian Games in 4 into 400 meter relay. Second 1964 Kolkata National Games in 400 meter. Legendary sprinter Milkha Singh died on the Friday 18th June 2021 due to the post-COVID complications at the age of 91. Place update PGIMER Chandigarh. Thank you. Watching knowledgeable video.